What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Dumb Motherfucking Tasty, man, and I'm back at it again. Y'all ain't expect that, did y'all? And I'm back at it again with another motherfucking video, man. And today we reacted to Supahotfire coming back in the game versus Babytron, which is a weird ass little setup that I can see to go through. But if y'all new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Y'all know we going to 300. You can. Let's get to it. Yes, sir.
Reaper, leader of the new school, representing Gen Z. Give it up for Babytron!
I just realized the camera on the wrong side. Let me that's better. Dude, that's better for me. You know what I'm saying? Forget y'all. My fault.
On stage, I refuse to let you Chris Rock me. All these damn cuss words, they can't kiss by me. All I gotta say is one word and it'll get choppy.
So enough of that, you know what I'm saying? I want to get to what we all came here for. You know what I'm saying? The champion, the top dog, the big dog, the king, the best battle rapper to never be a battle rapper but still a battle rapper. The best rapper in the game, the Tank Davis of battle rapping. Give it up for Supahotfire!
Nah, bro pulled up to the rap battle getting a back massage and then saying what's up under the thing. Look at the man's record. Look what he does, my nigga. Nigga is him. Nigga is really him. Like, what the fuck?
What's going on, Sup?
But I'm not a rapper.
You good, big dog? Yeah, you doing good. Time for you to handle business. Y'all, let's get into this coin toss. Call it when it land. 3, 2, 1.
Heads.
All right, we're gonna reflip then, because y'all both said it at the same time. You ready? All right, let's get into this toss.
Tails.
Tails. I said it second, so he goes second.
Ooh. That makes a lot of sense. That makes sense, don't it? How many of y'all think it makes sense? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Keep talking.
It's my favorite one.
Put that rock up. Oh, he threw the rock too? Keep talking about it. That was his favorite one. He threw it away. He can get another one. He can get another one. He got several favorite one.
I go to the mall.
What you do? Near.
And I shop.
Right.
Till I drop.
Oh my gosh! Hold on. Hey, that mean round one is done. That's 1-0. Did I hear something?
He ain't even rap, man.
We don't care. Hey, back to it. Soup, round 2, let's get it.
Told us we don't care, nigga. We don't care.
Spit that, Soup.
Call of Duty. I play that.
Warzone? Vanguard? That's the worst Call of Duty, man. Stay back there.
Ice. Ice. Caramel. Macchiato from Starbucks.
What you do?
I drink that.
Oh my God!
Hold on.
He drink it?
He drink
My
that.
mom got that drink last week. Keep going.
I turn on the TV. Love Island. I watch that.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Crazy. Now that was crazy. Hold on. That was crazy. American one or the UK version? Which one you watching, sir? Both.
I watch both.
He's still going. Let him go.
These niggas would never like fall off to me, bro. This is dead ass my childhood right here. Now y'all know y'all remember niggas in this bitch. And where he just used to win every single
Let him go. Let him go. Well, I got 2-0. What y'all got? 2-0 easy. I don't even think he need to rap again. He ain't even rap yet. Go ahead, Soup. Spit that.
I shake my juice before I drink it.
Arizona or Tropicana?
Quiet down. You hear that? It's my turn.
I hear the chains.
My turn.
You know what? I think it's only fair if we let him get in. We got to, because right now it's 2-0, so the most you could do is 2-1. Go ahead, Baby Shark.
All right, I'm gonna go to the car real quick.
That's a lot of ice.
Bling bling.
Your time ticking. I might cut you.
Those don't tick.
They call you super hot, but you super not.
Let him cook.
Let him cook.
And them glasses on your face, they're giving super cop.
Hey, talk to him, Try. Talk to him. Talk to him.
Okay, check his shirt.
He's never even been a security guard.
AP turned me Ben 10. This is super watch.
Oh my God.
That was low-key hard. I used to watch cartoons. How y'all feel about that round? Y'all liked it?
I like it.
Hey, get him out of here. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Go ahead again. Go again. Why I say it like that? Go again. Here you go, checking that time again.
It's time for you to rap.
Facts. Whoa. No, why are you doing this? I see what you're doing. You choked. You got your notes out. You got lyrics out, buddy. That's crazy. Nah, that's crazy right there. You know what I got to tell you, though? That's the end of your round, buddy. You did great. I think you're a great kid. You got long hair. I got long hair. That's the only thing we got in common. You're done for the day. Let's get back to the main man, the champion, the top dog. Tank Davis in a rap game. Go ahead and 3-0 him. 3-0 him, Soup. 3-0 him, Soup.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Don't do that. He's young.
Oh my God, bro. What the fuck?
He's young. He's a good kid.
I'm about to end this man's whole career.
Don't do that.
What is a browser? A browser is your window to the internet. It's where you access your search engine, stream your favorite.
Shoo-ba-da-boo by bing.
Wait a minute. What language was that?
Boo-da-roo by hing. Jing bing poobala ding bing subada. Jing bing hing bing joo bing joobada.
That was crazy. I don't know if that's Hebrew. What is that? Keep talking.
Ding bing doobaroo. Ping ming hoobaroo.
Oh!
Jing ping he hoo. Fee foo subaru.
Oh my gosh! Hey, I don't know. I think that's a 3-0. We ain't seen one like this in a minute. Super hot, the top dog. Anybody need that? Anybody, rapper, actor, singer, boxer, whoever needs that. Super hot is not losing. You hear me? Holla at your boys, Primetime Rapper, Malik Z, we out here. I'm saying, I think Super Hot and Babytron just pulled up at the same time. Look at Super Hot. Super Hot eyeing down the competition. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I did my homework, paid attention, you know, but I'm undefeated, so.
I ain't gonna lie, the rest of this like behind the scenes type shit. So this shit kind of decent though. I fucked with it, man. I fucked with it, man. That's what I'm gonna watch. Cause I'm dead ass. I'm actually gonna crush that. So, if y'all new to the channel, man, I hope y'all subscribe, nigga. If you don't, you eat ass. Like honestly, like that ass. You eat fucking booty, my nigga. You wanna go around walking around knowing that you eat ass, nigga? You want niggas to know that you eat butt, nigga? Then fucking subscribe, nigga. Sub, nigga. Fuck is wrong with y'all? I'm gone, stupid ass niggas. Get the fuck out my fucking face with that shit. That didn't go as I planned. Fuck on, nigga.